for brass instrumentalists and musicians of all sorts. They transition from performing as a group, as young people, to eventually moving towards what are called chamber ensembles. The challenge of chamber ensembles is you can't hide in the section anymore. You've got to play your part and play it well. And this represents a wonderful challenge for these young people to move into playing chamber music. The Brass Quintet is an ensemble that's been performing for hundreds and hundreds of years. We typically borrow music from other genres and adopt it as music for our particular ensemble to perform. These young people that are performing here in the Brass Quintet are all outstanding musicians in their own right, and I want to let you know that the music we're performing tonight is music that the Brass Quintet that I play in performs on a regular basis. I've put a challenge in front of these young people to raise to the level of playing music that is for essentially a professional brass quintet. So I want you to appreciate the effort that they put into learning this music, and I think you're going to be wonderfully pleased with the effort that you hear from them this evening.